हेलो बेटा, वी आर डूइंग दिस चैप्टर लीनियर इक्वेशंस इन टू वेरिएबल्स। इसके लिए आपको पता है थोड़ा सा बेसिक, व्हेन द लाइंस आर consistent and when the pair of linear equation is inconsistent. If a pair of linear equation is given by, these are the general form: a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. तो यहाँ से हमारे पास देर आर थ्री पॉसिबल सिचुएशंस. फर्स्ट इज इफ a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, मतलब the coefficients of x and coefficients of y, ratio of these a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. In this case the pair of linear equations is consistent and it has unique solution. Unique solution means lines will be intersecting at one point. Second case is if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2, then the pair of linear equation is inconsistent. It has no solutions. Lines will be parallel. Third situation is this: if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, it means ratio of all the three coefficients is same. In this case the pair of linear equations is again consistent, dependent. It has infinitely many solutions. Now we will solve few questions based on these properties. First question है हमारे पास: show that the following system of equation has unique solution. So given equation is x minus 2y is equal to 2, 4x minus 2y is equal to 5. It can be written in the general form: 2 or this 5 take to the left hand side, right hand side 0, x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0, 4x minus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. We have to show that this has unique solution. So we will find the ratios of a1 upon a2, which is equal to 1 upon 4, b1 upon b2, which is equal to minus 2 upon minus 2, and c1 upon c2 is equal to minus 2 upon minus 5. In this case आपने नोट करा a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. कैसे आया है ये? 1 upon 4 is not equal to 1. minus 2 upon minus 2 is 1. Hence it has unique solution. पहला कोफिशिएंट a1 a2, x के कोफिशिएंट और y के कोफिशिएंट की रेशियो इज नॉट सेम. Hence this system has unique solution. Second question है: for what value of k the following system has unique solution. अब हमें unique solution दे दिया है, condition is there, we have to find the value of k. We will apply the condition a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. First we will write these equations. It can be written x minus ky minus 2 is equal to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 5 इधर आके plus 5 is equal to 0. a1 upon a2 is equal to 1 upon 3, b1 upon b2 is equal to minus k upon 2. For this, for ये condition given है, for unique solution a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. ये not equal to का साइन बेटा मिस नहीं करना. इसमें हमारे को a1 upon a2 this is 1 upon 3 again is not equal to minus k upon 2. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए. minus 3k is not equal to 2 and k is not equal to -2/3। ये नॉट इक्वल टू का साइन जो है वो हमारा चलता जाएगा। दिस इज आवर value of k which is satisfying, so that this pair of linear equation will have unique solution. Next is question number 3। हमारे पास क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, find the value of k for which the following system of equation has infinitely many solutions. For infinitely many solutions, first we will write these equation in the general form. This can be written as k minus 1 x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. K plus 1 x plus 6y minus, I am putting bracket, is equal to 0. For infinitely many solutions, we want to know a1 upon a2. a1 upon a2 is k minus 1 upon k plus 1. b1 upon b2 is equal to 3 upon 6. c1 upon c2 is equal to minus 7 upon minus 5k minus 7. This you can reduce 1 by 2. Now you will compare a1 and a2. तीनों equal है हमारे पास. For infinitely many solutions, we know a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. It means k minus 1 upon k plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2 is equal to, ये माइनस से माइनस भी आप कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, 7 upon 5k minus 7. Now taking these two, first two, you cross multiply them. 2k minus 2 is equal to k plus 1. तो k is equal to 3. k इधर आ जाएगा तो minus 2 उधर जाके k is equal to 3. One value is equal to k is equal to 3. Now we will take b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. यहाँ से हमारे पास आ जाएगा, again cross multiply, 5k minus 7 is equal to 40. This was 7. 5, this was 5k minus 1 बेटा, यहाँ ये this is minus 1, दिखने में थोड़ा weird. Now minus 1 will go to the other side. 5k is equal to 15, k is equal to 3. The value of k is satisfying both the sides. k in पहले दो से हमने लिया coefficients of x and y से, वहाँ से भी k 3 आया है, and coefficients of y and constant term जो हैं वो भी 3 आया, तो our answer is k is equal to 3. Next question है, now condition is given to you, find the values of a and b for which the following system has infinitely many solutions. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7, a plus b x, a minus a plus b minus 3, this is the coefficient of y minus this. इसमें आप देख रहे हो कि फर्स्ट इक्वेशन में -7 हम इधर 7 इधर लेकर जाएंगे to change into the this general form, and this is already in the general form. It can be written 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, and the second equation as it is a plus b x minus a plus b minus 3y minus 4a plus b is equal to 0. For infinitely many solutions, first we will find all the three ratios of the coefficients. a1 upon a2 is equal to 2 upon a plus b. b1 upon b2 is equal to minus 3 upon minus a plus b minus 3. And c1 upon c2 is minus 7 upon 4a plus b with the negative sign. हम इसमें दोनों नेगेटिव साइन यहाँ पर भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, यहाँ पर भी, बिकॉज दे आर आउटसाइड द ब्रैकेट. फॉर infinite many solution, you know the condition a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. We will write their values. 2 upon a plus b is equal to 3 upon a plus b minus 3 is equal to 7 upon 4a plus b. यहाँ से we will make one equation in two variables a और b में, because there are two variables. So you will get 3a plus 3b, इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, 2a plus 2b minus 6. This will become 3a minus 2a, तो ये a plus b is equal to minus 6. This is our first equation. Now I will multiply this, cross multiply second and third. यहाँ से you will get 12a plus 3b is equal to 7a plus 7b minus 21. ये इधर आके आपके पास आ गया 5a minus 4b is equal to minus 21. This is the second equation. We will solve these two equations by elimination to get the values of a and b. मैंने आपको आगे बताया था when there are two variables you need two equations. So we have got 5a minus 4b is equal to minus 21. Elimination, make the coefficients of a same, multiply the first equation by 5. 5a plus 5b is equal to minus 30. Second में it is already 5a minus 4b is equal to minus 21. We will subtract the two so that a वाला term जो है वो आपका cancel हो जाएगा. 9b is equal to minus 9, b is equal to minus 1. Substitute the value of b in any of the equations. A plus b is equal to minus 6, a minus 1 is equal to minus 6, a is equal to minus 5. So our solution for a and b, a is equal to minus 5 and b is equal to minus 1. These are our solution. That's all.